welcome back to my channel. What going to do today? So it's a nice day today, very cool and nice. Thank God we're in September. Anyway guys, so today I am going to be making some oxtail with butter bean and gungo rice and peas. Oh, that sound good guys. So that's gonna go on today at Carla's Kitchen. Yeah man. So I just take a look on the things them over here so what I go work with. I already chop up my onions and my carrot and Irish. You don't know me do it already. So let's get down into business. Yeah, so guys, I am going to boil the gungo peas in coconut milk. And the reason why I'm going to do that, you know, gungo peas easy to cook. So it make no sense me go boil it in a water rete. So I go boil it in a coconut milk. Alright? So I go turn on the stove now. So I'm going to use 2 coconut milk as usual. I know I love to use 2. So that's a 1 in the pot. Some gungo peas, I already wash it and stuff like that, so it's going right in the pot. Okay, right in the pot. And of course, I gotta season up the pot. A little pinch of salt. Put in a piece of scallion and thyme. That one boil with it and my scotch bonnet pepper of course. Sweet there. Some black pepper. And just make that boil. Gungo peas done boil now, then we show you the next process. So now I'm going to brown some sugar or burn some sugar with the oxtail. Alright? So we have about 2 teaspoons of sugar in that pot. Okay, that's how the sugar when I burn. Right now it's like a caramel color, so I want it to get a little darker. I mean, you can use a browning if you want to, you know. Nothing wrong with using a browning, but me personally, I just love to burn the sugar. Alright. So now, I'm going to pour the oxtail in the pot. And guys, I seasoned this oxtail from Monday. Yeah, seasoned it from Monday. So now I'm going to put the oxtail in the pot. I'm going to go ahead and put some garlic. And I have around, I have this 7 cloves of garlic. So while that's in there, we just have to cover it and leave it make the oxtail get its color. Alright? Yeah, so you can season up on the oxtail from overnight, put it in the fridge. It's better that way, so the season and everything, marinate properly in it. And I had to come and do this oxtail video, because guess what? One of my good supporter, all the way from North Carolina, message me, say, listen to me, Mama, you need to do an oxtail video. No, I want to do an oxtail video. I said, alright, no problem. The next video going to be an oxtail video. So I know she's going to be happy when she see this. Yeah, man, I had to do it. Now I'm going to stir up the oxtail in my pot. I will cover this now and make it steady and put it color. No water not needed yet.
No.
Peas are boiled. Okay, so let me check the gungo peas now. Yeah, see how they're easy to boil? This is the green gungo. So now that the gungo peas boil, guys, I'm going to put the season in the pot. Then we're going to add in our rice. So just one little piece of butter. That's a little butter. That's good enough. Now, little Mrs. Dash. And remember, we said you're not going to use to season them after your choice. And then after you season them on the sick all I use, and you can use your own season. Alright? And now never feel this. Alright, it's good with salt and everything. So now I'm going to go ahead and wash the rice to put it in the pot here. Let me check the oxtail. Alright, so I'm going with it. See there, guys, I'm going to add no water yet. I'll take its own color right now. I'm going to add no water, no browning. I just brown a little sugar, and it's okay for you guys to put on a browning on the oxtail if you want it. Some people like it darker, some people don't like it too black and me. I don't like it too black. I want to know oxtail cook and take long to cook. So, when you guys cooking in the oxtail, please don't throw no cold water in the pot. Boil up some hot water on the stove and use that to cook in the pot at all times. Alright? Because if you don't put cold water on, you're going to make the oxtail get tougher. And it's going to take longer to cook. So right now I have some boiling water in my kettle. And I'm going to go ahead and pour some water in here. Okay? Now I'm going to cover it and leave it, make it cook. And I'm going to leave this for about, I'm going to say about 2 hours. 1.5 to 2 hours. Because I know oxtail business go already. Alright. So now I'm going to wash rice now to come put in a pot. And this is the rice that I use. White rice. A long time I don't cook white rice. So I'm going to use some white rice today. Alright. And this is 2 pounds. 2 pounds. So I use all light 2 pounds. So I don't have to use 2 pounds. Use any amount of rice I want to use. I don't know why white rice business go already. Sometimes it have them little blocks in it. So now I have to pick the rice. So far I'm not see none in this yet, so that one I look like I did good up white rice. Whoa. Alright now, washing time. I only can wash in the rice, so too. When I did younger, some used to wash rice, you know. So, yeah. So guys, finish wash the rice. So, I'm gonna put the rice in the pot. So we'll leave that now for cook. And we have a look on the oxtail part. Just to show now what I got on with it. So it's a bubble. So I don't need to do nothing more to it right now, but just leave it and make it cook. And you can always go ahead and add some more garlic to your pot. So guys, look at the oxtail now, look at the color. And I did not put brown in, all I did was brown the sugar. So it's still cooking, still a bit hard. So I'm gonna put some more water in it. And this is hot water. Do not put cold water like I told you earlier. And this been cooking for a while, but I don't know how oxtail tough. I'm gonna have a pressure pot. So I'm just gonna leave this part to finish cook. It is cooking because some of the meat coming off the bone. So I'm gonna cover it and let it continue the cooking process. So next time you see me, it should be time for me to season this oxtail, finish seasoning it, and you know, let it finish cooking. And when I say seasoning it, I mean adding my onions and my carrots and bell peppers, tomato, you name it. So, and let me see what's going on now with the Gungo rice and peas. Yeah. Gungo rice and peas is finished, so I'm gonna turn off this. So soon again soon. Alright? Okay guys, so let me see what I'm going to say now. Okay, the oxtail getting tender. Well, it is tender as you can see, so now I'm going to go ahead and add in the rest of my seasoning. And this that I'm going to add now is some pimento, but this is the one that is big. So if you have your whole pimento, you can just put a couple seeds in it. want, when you're making your oxtail, if you want, go ahead and add more season. It's totally fine. You season your pot to your own likings. And like me say, with the browning part, if you want to put your browning, that's okay too. But me personally, this is how I like to do it. And I like it black or too dark. So now I'm going to cover it and let my season cook. And then when I see you guys, it should be finished. And I'm ready to show you the finishing touch. Alright, so see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so the oxtail is finished now. As you can see the meat of fall that I done here. See? So I go plate the thing now. I go plate it and come back and show you the finishing touch. Alright, see you in a bit. This is the finishing touch of my oxtail and bean with gungo rice and peas. So take a look. And with this dish you can have pineapple juice, you can have fruit punch, or even crystal punch. That work well with it too. Look at it. So pretty, smells good, and I know it's delicious. And you should end in near Carla's kitchen, trust me. So guys, for the ingredients for this lovely dish, I'm gonna put it in the description down below. Please remember to check out my Facebook page, Carla's Kitchen. Also, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. And thank you guys so much for supporting from jump until now. I appreciate you all so much. I love you guys so much. Continue to watch Carla's Kitchen. Continue, you will get great dishes and great recipe ideas. See you again very soon in my next video. I'm out.